take side to side, make sure you align them. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I want to share something with you today. Maybe you're planning to make your own cushions, or you already are into upholstery business or whatnot. So I made these corner cushions here for my client. And here's what I found out, a trick that I've discovered to keep these cushions together in place. I attach a Velcro strip here to keep them together. Let me see if I can open this. So, excuse me, this is gonna keep the cushions from moving. When you sit on one side, the other one tend to raise, so this way they will stay together. As you can see, I sewed the tape, one here, the Velcro, and then just take side, make sure you align them, and neatly put it together. Of course, now I'm working with one hand. It's not gonna be the easiest, but I think you got the idea. Alright, so I don't have a video how I made these cushions, but you can check out my other video. Check the link attached, that I made another corner window seat with the same ideas. You can watch that. This is what I used here. This is a 2-inch foam, and this is 1-inch Dacron. I spray glue it, and then I hand stitch on the edges to keep everything together. And they are very comfy. Okay, I hope you enjoy this little video. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Like, share, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.